Galaxies are large systems of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter. They are held together by gravity. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. Each galaxy contains millions or even billions of stars. Galaxies can be different sizes. Some are small, with only a few billion stars. Others are huge, with trillions of stars. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, is one of the many galaxies in the universe. It is a barred spiral galaxy. People have always been curious about the stars. Ancient civilizations observed them and created myths. Modern science helps us understand what galaxies really are. Galaxies are important to study. They tell us about the universe's past, present, and future. They help us understand where we come from and where we are going. There are different types of galaxies. Astronomers classify them based on their shapes. The main types are spiral, elliptical, and irregular galaxies. Each type has unique features. Spiral galaxies have a flat rotating disk with spiral arms. The Milky Way is a spiral galaxy. These galaxies often have lots of gas and dust. They are sites of active star formation. Elliptical galaxies are more rounded. They do not have spiral arms. They contain older stars and less gas and dust. Star formation in these galaxies has mostly stopped. Irregular galaxies do not have a definite shape. They look chaotic and have no clear structure. They often contain young stars and lots of gas and dust. This makes them colorful and bright. Understanding the types of galaxies helps scientists learn more about their formation and evolution. Each type tells a part of the universe's story. The Milky Way is the galaxy we live in. It is a barred spiral galaxy. This means it has a bar-shaped center with spiral arms extending outward. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light-years across. Our galaxy is just one of billions in the universe. But it is special to us because it is our home. The Milky Way contains over 200 billion stars. Among these stars is our Sun, which is just one of many. The name Milky Way comes from its appearance. It looks like a milky band of light in the night sky. This light is from the stars in our galaxy. Ancient people named it after milk because of its appearance. Studying the Milky Way helps us understand more about our place in the universe. It shows us the vastness and complexity of our cosmic neighborhood. The Milky Way has a complex structure. It consists of several parts: the bulge, the disk, and the halo. Each part plays a role in the galaxy's makeup and behavior. The bulge is the central part of the Milky Way. It is dense with stars and has a bar shape. The bulge is surrounded by the disk. The disk contains spiral arms filled with stars, gas, and dust. This is where most star formation occurs. The halo is the outer region of the galaxy. It contains older stars and globular clusters. The halo also has dark matter, which we cannot see. Dark matter makes up most of the Milky Way's mass. Understanding the structure of the Milky Way helps scientists study how galaxies form and evolve. Each part of the galaxy tells a piece of its history. Section 5. The Solar System's place in the Milky Way. Our solar system is located in one of the Milky Way's spiral arms. This arm is called the Orion arm, or the local arm. The solar system is about 27,000 light-years from the galactic center. The Sun, our star, is an average-sized star. It is one of over 200 billion stars in the Milky Way. The planets, including Earth, orbit the Sun. The solar system moves through the Milky Way at about 828,000 kilometers per hour, or 514,000 miles per hour. Our position in the Milky Way gives us a unique view of the galaxy. We can observe the night sky and see the Milky Way's spiral arms. This helps astronomers study the galaxy's structure and composition. Knowing the solar system's place in the Milky Way is important. It helps us understand our cosmic address and our place in the universe. Section 6. Interesting facts about the Milky Way. The Milky Way is full of fascinating facts. One interesting fact is that it is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. In about 4.5 billion years, they will merge to form a new galaxy. The Milky Way also has a supermassive black hole at its center. This black hole is called Sagittarius A*. It has a mass of about 4 million times that of our Sun. It influences the orbits of nearby stars and gas. Another interesting fact is that the Milky Way is constantly moving. It travels through space at around 600 kilometers per second or 373 miles per second. This motion is due to the gravitational pull of nearby galaxies and dark matter. These facts show that the Milky Way is dynamic and ever-changing. Studying these phenomena helps scientists understand the forces shaping our galaxy. Section 7. Black holes in the Milky Way. Black holes are mysterious objects in space. They have strong gravitational pulls that nothing, not even light, can escape. The Milky Way has many black holes. The most famous is Sagittarius A** at the center of the galaxy. Black holes form when massive stars collapse under their own gravity. They can grow by swallowing gas, dust, and even other stars. In the Milky Way, black holes are found in binary systems and star clusters. Observing black holes in the Milky Way helps scientists learn about their properties. They study how black holes interact with their surroundings. This research provides insights into the life cycles of stars and the dynamics of galaxies. Black holes are important for understanding the Milky Way. They influence the movement of stars and gas. They also play a role in the evolution of the galaxy. Section 8. The Milky Way's neighbors. The Milky Way is part of a group of galaxies called the Local Group. This group contains over 50 galaxies. The two largest are the Milky Way and the Andromeda Galaxy. Other members include the Triangulum Galaxy and many dwarf galaxies. The Andromeda Galaxy is the closest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way. It is about 2.5 million light-years away. Andromeda and the Milky Way are on a collision course. They will merge in the future to form a new galaxy. Dwarf galaxies are small galaxies that orbit larger ones. The Milky Way has several dwarf galaxy companions. These include the Large and Small Magellanic Clouds. These galaxies are visible from the southern hemisphere. Studying the Milky Way's neighbors helps scientists understand galaxy interactions. It shows how galaxies influence each other and evolve over time. Section 9. The future of the Milky Way. The Milky Way is constantly changing. Its future will be shaped by interactions with other galaxies. The most significant event in its future is the collision with the Andromeda Galaxy. This collision will happen in about 4.5 billion years. The Milky Way and Andromeda will merge to form a new galaxy. This process will take millions of years. It will create a large elliptical galaxy. The Milky Way will also continue to form new stars. As long as it has gas and dust, star formation will occur. Over time, the galaxy's structure will evolve, its spiral arms may change, and new star clusters will form. Understanding the future of the Milky Way helps scientists predict the evolution of galaxies. It shows the long-term changes that shape the universe. To Section 10, why understanding galaxies is important. Studying galaxies is important for many reasons. It helps us understand the universe's history. Galaxies hold clues about the formation of stars, planets, and life. Galaxies also help scientists study dark matter and dark energy. These mysterious substances make up most of the universe. By observing galaxies, scientists learn about their properties and effects. Understanding galaxies also helps us learn about our place in the universe. It shows how the Milky Way fits into the larger cosmic picture. It helps us appreciate the vastness and complexity of space. Studying galaxies inspires curiosity and wonder. It encourages us to explore and discover more about the universe. Section 11. Conclusion. Galaxies are fascinating objects in the universe. They are large systems of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter. The Milky Way is our home galaxy. It is a barred spiral galaxy with a complex structure. The Milky Way contains over 200 billion stars, including our Sun. It has a supermassive black hole at its center. The Milky Way is part of the Local Group of Galaxies. Studying the Milky Way and other galaxies helps us understand the universe. It reveals the history, structure, and future of cosmic objects. It shows the importance of galaxies in the larger cosmic picture. Understanding galaxies inspires us to explore and learn more. It helps us appreciate the beauty and complexity of the universe.